dot like this. Okay. And you have to think and tell me that what are we drawing? Okay, slowly, because right now there's only a line. We cannot imagine anything out of a line, can we? Yes, we can, वैसे तो. Okay, so now after drawing this line, make a very short slanting line over here. And
are we going to draw a bathtub, ma'am?
yes, beta.
Are you going to draw a bathtub?
Bathtub. No, this is not a bathtub. And another slanting line from the another side. Okay, and then again make this line. And slowly, very, very slowly, keep the gap. Keep the gap same. And try to go to the other. Yes.
Are we making a tree and a monkey down?
No, not that.
That's a house.
No, not even that. Okay, keep drawing, keep drawing. Okay, now this is my second line. Okay, so now I have to draw a standing line from the corner. So
I'm
this,
going to draw a rope, ma'am.
no, not a rope. This is my little curvy. This is also a slightly curvy. See, did you see? It's not absolutely standing line. It is slightly curvish, and from the other side also try to make same sized like this. What are we drawing? Is it a pillow? No, it's not even a pillow. What is it? What is it? Okay, so after making these two lines, once again we have to make sleeping lines here only. Okay, give this distance and make one more sleeping line going to the next end. Okay, now see, my sleeping lines are not very neat. They're not very straight. So it's fine because we are making bigger lines. It's okay, all right. So then from here again, we have to come down from both the sides. We will come down from both the sides, from left and from the right. Okay, and let's join these. So there is a big space inside. This is a rectangle shape that we have made, and we have left a quite big space inside, right? You should have a big space here inside because whatever you have to imagine would come here only. Now, okay, we will leave this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
are we making a boy watching a TV show?
Yes, absolutely right. How did you imagine it so well, Kabir?
I think that this was a television.
Correct. This is a TV. And when I said that you have to draw in between, then you got this idea, right, Kabir? How creative you have become. Very good. So Kabir guessed it right that this is a TV. Okay. And we are going to make a boy in front. And the boy is watching the TV. And what is the boy watching is what you have to think and draw. Okay. So now we will leave this for now. We have to draw more, but we will draw it after we draw the boy first. Okay, so are we all done till here? Yes, everyone, good job. So let's make the boy little on the right side. Okay, so my boy is sitting over here. He's wearing this is the head of the boy. Okay, he's wearing a cap. All right, make this curve. Leave some distance between TV, between this line and the head, okay, because we have to draw further more lines, so we will see accordingly. And make a small circle here, and just we are making some design on the cap. So this is a cap. You can make some lines, 1 2 3 4 5, 6. Okay. And this is that flap of the cap. And you can just make a line below. Wherever you feel that I am drawing fast, stop me and let me know. All right, so this is the boy's head. He's wearing the cap. Now make ears. Ear, one here and one here. Okay, and from behind his hair are visible. So let's make the hair 1, 2, 3, and from the zigzag, little zigzag lines like this. Okay, now is it looking like the head of the boy and we are watching it from behind, right?
Yes.
So this boy is sitting on a couch or a sofa or something. So we are going to draw that now. Okay. So you can straight away make a long, even you can draw one more person sitting with this boy. You can add on things if you wish. Okay. So from here, this is the line. So this is the sofa he's sitting on. So just to have an idea, you can start drawing it from here and take it to the next end of the sheet or just turn it somewhere like this. And you can take it to the, or maybe you can draw one sofa over here. You can make one more, okay? So one more person, girl or boy sitting with him, you can draw along. There are 2 kids, you can draw mama, you can draw papa, whatever comes to your mind, draw it. I'm not going to draw the second person, you will draw it, okay? So how will you draw the head? You can draw same this like this also, the other person also wearing the cap, the flap is on this other side. Use your imagination and draw the other person. Okay, will you be able to, or should I draw? What do you want? Let me know. Should I draw?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good, very good. So draw it on your own. So what are we, first you have to draw that person only, then we will draw further. Okay, so for example, I'll just draw a head like this. This is another person. This is the ponytail. All right, this is a girl sitting. That's her head. Ear. Okay. And somewhat like this, you can draw anything. I have drawn a girl, you can draw anything. You can draw a boy, you can draw mother, you can draw whatever, however is coming to your mind, you can draw that. Now, after this, let's show that there is a table or something in front of them just to fill it up. And the boy is holding a remote also. How will you draw that? Now we can show a hand coming up from this couch. Let's draw the remote first. So along with the boy, either on the right side or on the left side, anywhere you can draw this. Okay, so make a line, a slanting line, small, not very big. This line. And this can be bigger. See, look at the lines, how long and how big my lines are. And one is shorter, the other one on the right side is longer. And here I am going to draw the thumb. This is the thumb. Okay. All right. So this boy is holding the remote. That's the hand. Now you can extend this line, the bottom line, and this is the hand. Now, is it looking as if the boy is holding a remote? You can make small, small buttons. Like the buttons are on the remote. You can make some small, tiny squares, rectangle, circles to show that there are buttons on the remote. And he's trying to adjust volume or change the channel. Okay, now this is done. So once you all are done this much, let me know. I'll move further. Okay, Prithvi, are you done? Kabir, Sahana.
Yes.
Okay, Prithvi's done. Sahana, are you done? How about Kabir? How about Bhairav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sahana is done. Bhairav, are you done?
And yes,
Okay, Bhairav is done. Yes, beta?
and
Yes.
gave you some designs in the sofa.
Oh, very good. Yeah, yes, Prithvi, this is amazing. Let me see. Can you show? It's not very clear, but I'm sure once you'll trace it, I would be able to see it better. Okay, very good idea. To put some designs on sofa is a great idea. All right, so I had left my sofas just blank. You can add on some designs. Okay. Now let's draw a round table in front of them. Okay, so starting from this, I'll just make it bolder. Or round table or a square table or a rectangle table, you can draw any table. So this is a table in front of them. Okay, wherever this is a round table, or there are some glasses, juice or something in or a plate or chips or popcorns which they are eating. Okay, you can make a bowl, you can make a glass of juice, water, bottle, whatever you want to draw. Draw 2 or 3 things, not more than that. All right. Okay, so now we will make our TV. नीचे से जो टीवी में buttons होते हैं, our TVs have buttons and other things. We will do that. So once this is done, let's make these lines little more bigger. The outermost lines, little more bigger. And just make these lines. Okay, touch the head wherever it is coming in between. And then you can make some buttons here, some more to give it the look of a TV. Make some circle 3 buttons over here. And some long small rectangle in the middle. Okay, now is it looking like a TV, right? It's looking absolutely
Yes.
now. And you can make some 3 circles over here. Okay, and the volume is too high. You can show that. How? You can show that with the zigzag
Ma'am.
lines. Yes, yes,
We
Ishita?
have to, I'm Sahana.
Yes, Sahana, bache, tell me.
We have to draw something inside, no?
Yes. What are these children watching? If Sahana is sitting on the sofa, what is Sahana watching in the TV? Can you draw your favorite cartoon? Or if they are watching some movie, what is coming in TV? Nobody will discuss. We will only draw and we will watch in the end. What all have you drawn? Okay.
I'll draw my favorite movie, okay?
What will you draw?
I'll draw my favorite movie.
Okay, draw your favorite movie. Okay, I would love to see what are you going to draw in the TV. Is there a cartoon coming up? If yes, which is your favorite cartoon? Or are these children watching news? Or these children are watching songs? Anything which comes up to your mind? Or these children are watching Peppa Pig or Mario or whatever cartoon? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I will write their YouTube symbol and YouTube because they are watching YouTube.
Very good. Good job. So because you watch YouTube, so you can make the symbol of YouTube and your favorite YouTube channel also you can draw that. Whatever you see, some craft tutorials or some reading or some cartoons, any movie, any Harry Potter or any other movie. Okay, now that was, see how creative this answer was, that Ishita says that I'll make a YouTube symbol. Very good. Okay, and you can share your ideas with me meanwhile. What is coming to Bhairav's mind? Bhairav, what will you draw in the TV?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm drawing a jungle.
Drawing a jungle in the TV. Okay, must be some horror.
Like a jungle. It's like a jungle, but I'll show you in the end.
Okay, good. Very nice. Fine. So draw jungle. You can make some trees, some animals, right? Some jungle safari, Jurassic Park. Someone is watching Jurassic Park. You can make a dinosaur. Okay, T-Rex. All right.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I thought they are seeing how to cut vegetables in the forest.
Yeah. Okay. What, Prithvi? Somebody is in the forest, you said?
No, how to cut vegetables in the forest.
How to cut vegetables in the forest. Okay, very good. So somebody is cutting vegetables in the forest, but forest doesn't have vegetables too, does it? You can show that how people are cutting trees in the forest. No, vegetables are grown in the farms, in the fields. Yeah. Yes.
They took the vegetables in the forest.
Okay, all right. They have taken the vegetables in the forest. Now see, I've put some design on the sofa for me as well. Need a line and making these lines. Now see how simple the drawings are. The more important is how do we imagine, right? So even with your imagine, you can make a comic strip. I'll teach you that very soon. How to make a comic strip also. And you can write something. Maybe the sister and brother are watching TV. Sister says, lower down the volume, Henry. Okay, maybe his name is Henry, Jack, or any other Indian name also can be there, whatever. So think of the dialogues. And what is the brother saying? No, I enjoy TV like this. Okay, or maybe, okay, I'm doing it. So this is how your drawings becomes conversational. Okay, whoever watches your drawing would understand that what have you been trying to draw, what are your characters saying. Okay, I'll just make some dialogue boxes also for these two, and I'll write my dialogues. You can even think of yours and write yours. Put up my favorite show. Okay, whatever, any dialogue related to the picture. What is coming to Kabir's mind? Kabir, what are you going to draw? Owlets or a Halloween movie?
I'm drawing a funny show.
Okay, a funny show. Very good. So then you can, in your dialogue boxes, it can be ha ha ha. Okay, a laughter. Yes.
Ma'am, the sister is telling to the brother,
Yeah.
stop. Then the brother is saying, okay, wait.
Okay, very good. Nice. See, this is how when somebody sees your drawing, they will at least look at your drawing for longer time and they will appreciate you. They will say, wow, you are super artist. Very nice. And I am not teaching you this. This is coming to you on your own. है ना? अपने आप से ideas आते हैं ना? When you think, you will get ideas. You should think. So I will also draw something in the TV. Let me see what can I draw in the TV. These children are watching. Their favorite TV show, which is I can draw Peppa Pig's characters. So for those who want to draw Peppa Pig characters, they can do that. Okay, so I can draw Peppa, George. I can draw Peppa Pig's logo also, that it is, the song is coming. How many of you watch this show? Do you watch Peppa Pig?
My sister's favorite cartoon is.
Yeah, small babies also watch and big children also like to watch this.
When I watch, my father say you are not a baby to watch.
You are becoming a big girl now. So I'm going to draw Peppa. They are enjoying.
Ma'am.
Yes, Pacha. This is how Peppa's dress is. This is Peppa Pig, right? Now I can draw any other character from the story. I can draw George. Okay. Peppa and George is smaller than Peppa, right? So I have to make him smaller over here. And George's ears, George's eyes. Okay, and George is also smiling. And his dress is like this, round. His hands, legs, and the tail. Okay, and even you can just write down Peppa Pig somewhere. If you are drawing this, you can do that. Okay, in the middle, anywhere. Peppa Pig. And I have drawn Peppa Pig. Now in Peppa Pig also there are those clouds and trees. You can even draw a background. Okay, maybe you can draw some muddy puddles that they are jumping. They love to jump in muddy puddles. So they are jumping in muddy puddles. You can draw that.
Ma'am?
Yes.
I draw in TV. Peppa Pig is seeing the TV.
Peppa Pig is like this in the TV?
Yes.
No. Okay. Yeah. Those small clouds at the background in the TV.
Ma'am, this is like
See, I have created a background as well.
Ma'am?
Yes, we. Yes, tell me, beta.
See my drawing.
Show. Okay, so there is a forest and there are some people in the forest. Bhairav, why is your camera off? All right, nice, Prithvi. So those tall trees. So is it they are watching some forest movie?
No, they are cutting the vegetables in the forest.
They have taken raw vegetables and they're cutting vegetables in the. But why are they cutting vegetables in the forest, Prithvi? Any reason?
Because the farm is empty.
Because?
The farm is empty.
Because the farm is empty.
Yes.
Okay, fine. All right. So you can color, okay? And even you can write some dialogues, right? Okay. So I am going to put some dialogues here from the girl side, from the boys side to make my drawing look more nice and conversational and like a story. So this is the dialogue box for the girl. And this is the dialog box for the boy. You can even one word written in the dialog box also makes a very good impact. Okay, so what can we write? I like it. Even I do. Okay, so they both have same. The favorite cartoon is same. Write it. I love. I love it. Okay, and the boy says, wow. Now my drawing is complete and it looks beautiful. So I would like to see your imagination and drawings. Prithvi has already shown me. And I would love to see what is Sahana drawing, Bhairav, Ishita, and Kabir. You can continue drawing your TV image, okay? And I'll start filling colors over here so that you would have an idea after you're done, how will you color this? So I am going to put a line here as well to show that it's a wall. It's a wall behind, wall and floor. Yeah. Any color, now color choice, whatever, whenever we make a color choice, the wall and the colors which you are choosing, you should not, now see, I have taken this orange color for this wall or background which is behind. So I cannot color my TV or anything which is inside my TV with the same color. Okay, I will never do that because then it will not give a very good look. TV and the wall behind cannot be of same colors. So this is called sensibly picking up the colors. Thinking before coloring. I always tell you that drawing and coloring both are equally very, very important. Okay, so I am doing this orange free area. So moving my color in one direction. So TV, now I'll color my TV because Peppa, I think they are pink, right? Some pink color I have to do. I already know that I have to fill something pink inside my TV. So outside the TV boundary, I'll choose a different color. I can do I can take red color. Red would be entirely different. Okay. I always suggest you to choose bright shades, not very dull dark colors. Don't do black or gray or such colors. Very less area, only in the hair and such parts we can do. Rest you should try to make your drawings bright, pretty, colorful. And I'm done with this boundary of my TV. Okay, now Peppa Pig's background. Clouds, I'll keep white. Rest, I'll do blue. You all have to first do outlining with your black sketch pen. Okay, I have stopped saying that because you all know that stepwise what should be done first and what should be done next. Okay, so this can be blue as well, the Peppa Pig sign. Yes, Kabir is tracing. Yes, Kabir, you can continue tracing, beta. Very slowly resting your hand very well on the sheet and smoothly moving your sketch pen. Pressure should be adequate, not putting extra pressure. अगर आप जोर से pressure डालोगे अपने hand पे तो drawing भी dirty हो जाएगी और drawing will be spoiled. Your hand will also start paining. So keep your hand light, very light, and move your sketch pen smoothly. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Pita.
ma'am, can I show my drawing, ma'am?
Yes, please show me. Okay, Bhairav, you have drawn a very neat picture. Okay, what is inside? There is a forest, 2 trees, 3 other kind of trees. Wonderful.
And a butterfly drinking its
Nectar.
flower, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes,
See
ma'am.
how imaginative Bhairav is becoming. Very good, Bhairav. I'm so proud of you. Yes, Ishita, you were showing me your drawing show.
And I put some word over here. This boy said, I love this show. But another boy said, I don't like this show.
Okay, that's good.
Ma'am,
Very good. Very nice, Ishita. I can see some drawers below your TV, and there a Peppa Pig also, YouTube sign also. See how different you draw from me. I feel so happy watching your imaginations. Very good. Okay, so I'm doing this Peppa Pig's ground green color because it's usually like this only, no? Light green, and the muddy puddles I'll do brown. Oops, by mistake I had done. Okay, I'll just do brown. And this also. Okay. And their clothes, Peppa's dress would be orange. Now see, dress can be orange because it's a small part, small area, orange. Okay, background is far away from the dress. So I can do this. And George usually wears this blue colored dress, no? So blue, and their face pink. See, you got such a good chance to draw your favorite cartoon characters or whatever you like watching most in the TV, right? I think Ishita likes to watch YouTube most. Huh? Ishita, what do you watch on YouTube?
I watch makeup thing and something like.
What do you watch?
I watch makeup thing and dancing.
Dance.
Drawings.
Oh, so you like to dance? You do dance?
And I am studying dance also.
Okay, very nice.
Bharatanatyam.
Oh, that's wonderful. You're learning Bharatnatyam. Beautiful. Very good. So see, I have done my coloring in the TV also. And it's actually looking as if they are watching Peppa Pig. And even the song is coming in my mind. Tung, 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 tung. It's like that only. Peppa Pig. Okay. Now I'll come down and I will color these dialog boxes first. Light color always in the dialog boxes because whatever you have written should be visible and people should be able to read it when they watch your drawings. So I'm doing yellow, yellow, and the floor, different shade. Sofa, different color in the cap, on the table. All right, so let's color these sofas purple. Always make smart choice while coloring into your pictures. Now see, if ma'am will take yellow only again or orange again for the sofa or for the floor, would that be a good choice? No, that would not be a good choice because I've already taken yellow in such a big part above. I can't use, sorry, not yellow, orange. I can't use the orange or peach color again. Okay, so that's why I always tell you, before picking up any color, think first you that will it go? Should I take this color? How will this look? Okay. Okay, so for the floor, blue I have taken there, so I can change my color and I can do some
Ma'am,
brown shade. Yes, beta.
I take this colorful side by that choose face on Peppa's face. There is small round in pink. I can draw that. So I take my pink sketch pen and draw a circle.
Yes, yes, you can
Okay.
draw that circle. Yeah, you can draw that on Peppa's face with sketch pen. Okay, but don't put a lot of pressure, otherwise there will be a hole in your sheet. Okay, because those are wet. That's ink which will come out. You can use a darker blue also, because inside I have used the light blue. So in the floor I am doing this brown color. You can even use a dark shade of blue, but brown is also fine. You can even decorate the house, put some flower vase anywhere. Okay, some almirah if you have more space on the side. You can draw one almirah, some drawers, or anything which you see, a planter anywhere, a plant inside the house. You can do that.
Ma'am, I draw a table and a flower pot in that.
Yeah, I saw your drawing. I saw that. Very good. So this is the table, coloring it darker blue. And see, I have very less color choice because I use this digital coloring kit now, which is there on the Zoom. You have more color choice. You have your crayons. You have so many different shades of blue, greens, and other shades also. So you have that benefit of choosing more nice, good colors. Okay, inside the bowl, now my bowl is looking empty. You can draw something inside. There is a strawberry shake they are drinking. And just that their heads are visible, so we don't even need to draw anything else. Your cap you can color. You can color, give different colors in the cap, or you can just color your cap in one shade only. Okay. And hair, black. And I am done with my coloring. So there are a lot of these white patches which I can see that I have left, right? You can also see, right? I have left so many white patches. So whenever we color, it happens. So when you are finished with your drawing, in the end, you will always see where are those white patches, and you should give a finishing final touch to the drawing. Don't leave them like that with flaws. Always check them before you're finished. Do I need to put color anywhere?